Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are learning ayah number 138 of Surah Al-An'am and onwards. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. وقالوا هذه أنعام وحرث حجر لا يطعمها إلا من نشاء. For wow, circle your lips. For fatha, open your jaws. The sound is short. Qaf is heavy. And alif with this qaf. If alif is accompanied by heavy letter, it will be heavy. Or if it will be with light letter, it will be light. Here, this alif is heavy because qaf is among heavy letter. So this will be 2 counts long and it is heavy. Lu. For Dhamma circle left, make it 2 counts long. Ha, 2 counts long. The for Kasra give E sound. He. Mad Munfasil Jaiz. 4 counts long. And Hamza is sharp of Fatah upon jaws attached with Noon. Noon will get sifa of the wasut and Hukmuhu idhar. Ain from your throat nicely, make it 2 counts long. Moon. Idgham with gunna. So keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Wa. Makhraj of always circling your lips. Fatah upon your jaws. The sound is short. How. Ha. From your throat. Middle part of your throat with hums. And for fatha open jaws attached with ra will get sip of the wasud and it will be heavy because there is fatha before it. How, ha, ha, how, tun. For dhamma, circle your lips as you will touch idhar. Your lips should be in a straight position because this is idhar, sorry. This is idhar and sifa is tawassut. Tun, hij. For kasra, give E sound attached to jim. Jim will get sifa of qalqala and qalqala should be very nicely done. And there should not be any flow of breath or sound because jim is majhura letter. Hij, hij, rul. Ra is heavy because there is dam on it. Attached lam, lam will get sifa of tawassut and lam will be light. Ra is heavy but lam is light. Rul, rul, la, 2 counts long. Yaqa, ya is light for fatha upon jaws attached. Ta will be heavy and ta will get very nice qalqala. Yaqa. And the sound of qalqala should not be lower. It should be the same sound as the same pitch of voice as you are taking from here. Like there should not be low sound in qalqala. Yaqa, yaqa. Ain from your throat for fatha open jaws. Mu for the circle lips. The sound is short. Ha. Mad munfasil jaz, make it 4 counts long. Il, Hamza is very sharp. For kasra, give E sound attached with lam. Lam will get sip up tawassut. La, 2 counts long. Man, idgham with gunna. So keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Na, fatha is short. Sha, mad muttasil wajib, make it 4 counts long. U, for dhamma circle ellipse, the sound is short. B, for kasra, give E sound. The sound is short and very sharp. B, za, za has a fee. Za. When you close your teeth, the za is very sharp sound. Za, za, ein will get sifat tawassut and ein should be from your throat, middle part of your throat. Za, mi, for kasra give E sound. Him, for kasra give E sound attached with me will get sifat tawassut. But this kasra should not go too low and should not be like taken light. It should be mutawassit. Him. It's not him. It's not long. It's not him. It's not like you are giving majhul sound of kasra. Be in middle. This is him. Him. Huwa from wow makhraj of waw is circle in your lips for fatha open jaws. And hamza is sharp or attached with noon will get sifa of tawassut and hukmuhu with har. Ain middle part of your throat, make it 2 counts long. Mun idhar, ruling it idhar and suffice tawassut. Mun hu ha from your throat, the middle part of your throat, and ha should be you should have hums. Hu this sound, and then attach it. Ra will be light because there is kasra on it. Hur hurri hur. Give tawassut first and then give kasra. Hurrimat. For fatha open jaws, attach it. Ta will get sifa of hums. And hums is flow of breath. Mat. Woo. Wa is heavy for dhamma circle your lips. Woo. Who. Make it 2 counts long. Oru. Ra is heavy because there is dhamma on it. Oru. Ha. 2 counts long. Huwa. Makhraj of waw is circle in your lips. For fatha open your jaws, the sound is short. And Hamza is sharp, attach with noon will get sifa of tawassut and hukmuhu idhar. Middle part of your throat, make it 2 counts long. Mul, idgham without gunna. So you are not keeping the sound in your nose at all. La, don't do that. Mul, la, 2 counts long. Yad, ya is light. Fatha open jaws attached with dal. Dal will get sifa of rakhawa and it has hums, and this rakhawa will bring in that zabzaba sound. If you will keep the makhraj engaged and let the sound flow, that zabzaba will come automatically. Yad, yad, ku for the circle lips. The sound is short. Oru. Ra is heavy because there is dhamma on it, and make it 2 counts long for the circle lips. Nas for fatha open jaws attached with sin. Sin will get sifa of rakhawa. It is light and it has safir. Nas mul. This meme is light, but lafz jalala will be heavy because there is dhamma before it. Mallah. He for kasra give e sound. From your throat for fatha on your jaws, the sound is short. Lay. Yailin. So when you are attaching fatha with ya, you're making it soft. Haf. It is not anymore long because this ha is attached with coming up letter, and that is fa. Haf. And fa will get sifa for rakhawa and hams. Don't rush on saying fa. Haf. Ti for kasra give e sound. Ra. Mad muttasil wajib, make it 4 counts long. And Hamza is sharp, but should not be too sharp that you are giving like something else. No, it's an. And this is idhar, ruling idhar and sifas tawassut. Ain from your throat, middle part of your throat. For fatha when just lay. Because of this work, you are giving temporary sukoon here. This temporary sukoon has turned this 2 counts long all into 4. This is madleen. Why? Because if you are you find mud the lean letter before it, then it will be mudleen. So here it is lean letter. So this is going to be madleen. Alay. And how will get sifa of rakhawa? Sa. Give safir in sa. Seen is light. Seen has rakhawa. Sa. Yaj. Ya is light. For fatha upon jaws attached. Jim. Jim will get sifa of qalqala. Be careful. Don't let any breath or sound flow in jim. Yaj. Yaj. Z. Very sharp sound. Make it 2 counts long. Him. Ikhfa shafawi. So hide the meme, and you're keeping the sound in your nose. Him. Bi. Focus ragib e sound. Ma. 2 counts long. Ka. 2 counts long. No. For the circle lips, make it 2 counts long. F. For fatha open jaws attaches fa. Fa will get sifa of hums and rakhawa. Yafta. Ta is very sharp. No flow of breath. No flow of sound. Ta. Because of this work, we are giving temporary sukoon here. This temporary sukoon has turned this two counts long vowel into four. This is madarat للسكون. وقالوا هذه أنعام وحرث حجر لا يطعمها إلا من نشاء بزعمهم وأنعام حرمت ظهورها وأنعام لا يذكرون اسم الله عليها افتراء عليه سيجزيهم بما كانوا يفترون. ومخرج الفاء circling your lips فتح open jaws. قاف is heavy, make it two counts long. لو for the circle lips, make it two counts long. ما two counts long. في give hums in fa, make it two counts long. بو for the circle lips. قا is heavy for the circle lips, make it two counts long. Ni for kasra give e sound. Ha two counts long. The for kasra give e sound. Hil for kasra give e sound, attach it lam, lam gets it off the wasut. And Hamza is sharp, attached with noon, noon will get sifa of the opposite, and hukmu with her. Two counts long, ain should be from your middle part of your throat. Me, for kasra give e sound. Kha is heavy, so this alif is heavy too, make it two counts long. Li, for kasra give e sound. Sa is heavy for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Tulli. This is idgham without gunna, so you're not keeping the sound in your nose at all. Don't keep the sound in your nose. Tulli, li, for kasra give e sound. Du, zab zaba, for the circle lips, make it two count. Oh, this is only one count long. Du, the sound is short. Yes, the sound is short. Du, ku, for the circle lips, make it two counts long. Ri, ra is light, focus, give e sound. Na, two counts long. Wa, makhraj of our circling your lips, put up on jaws. Mu, for the circle lips, the sound is short. Haru, ha. From your throat for fatha upon jaws, attach it. Ra will be heavy because there is fatha before it. Haru, ra, for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short and heavy. Mun, حكمه إظهار and صفة التوسط. Ain from the middle part of your throat for fatha open jaws. لا mad munfasil jais, make it four counts long. As Hamza is sharp for fatha open jaws, attach with za will get sifa for rakhawa. As wa two counts long. Ji for kasra give e sound. Na two counts long. مخرج الواو circling your lips put open jaws. Idgham with gunna, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Yeah, put open jaws. Kum idgham with gunna, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Kum may, the ya lean, so make it soft when you are attaching fatha with ya. May ta, very sharp sound for fatha open jaws. Ta ikhfa, and it is always with gunna. The other name of ikhfa is gunna. So the main part of ikhfa is gunna. So keep the sound in your nose, and you're keeping your mouth ready to say this letter fa. Ta fa. Give hams in fa for fatha open jaws. Hum for the circle ellipse attached with me. We will get sifa of the wasut. Fi two counts long. He for kasra give e sound. Shu for the circle ellipse, the sound is short. Ra is heavy for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Ka, kaf is light. And because of this work we are giving temporary sukoon here. And this when you find you are giving sukoon on hamza because of the work on the long vowel, then you are giving never here. So you are giving never on this hamza. Ka S for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Yaj, yeah is light for fatha upon jaws attached. Jim, Jim will get sifa of qalqala, and the breath should not flow at all. Yaj, Yaj, very majhura letter, majhura letter. Z, majhura. Jahar is opposite of hums. So if there is no breath, no flow of breath, then it is majhura. Okay, so this has jahar. It has no flow of breath or air. Yaj, z, two counts long. Him, focus give e sound attached. Mim will get sifa of tawassut and hukmuhu idhar. Was, for fatha upon jaws attached. Sad will get sifa of rakhawa. It has safir and it is heavy. F, give hamsin fa for fatha upon jaws. Hum, for the circle ellipse attached with mim will get sifa of tawassut and hukmuhu idhar. In, for kasra give e sound attached with noon will get sifa of gunna. The gunna is akmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Na, for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Who, for the circle ellipse, make it two counts long. Ha from your throat, middle part of your throat, and ha should have hums. Ha, ki, two counts long. Mun, حكمه إظهار and صفة توسط. Ain from your throat, pop top and jaws. Lim. Because of this work, we are giving temporary sukoon here. This temporary sukoon has turned this two counts long vowel into four. This is mad arid للسكون. وقالوا ما في بطون هذه الأنعام خالصة لذكورنا خالصة لذكورنا ومحرم على أزواجنا وإن يكن ميتة فهم فيه شركاء سيجزيهم وصفهم إنه حكيم عليم. سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.